Ever feel like your hotel's stunning photos just aren't turning into bookings? Well, if you're struggling to fill rooms, even during peak season, you're not alone. In this video here, I'll show you how email marketing can turn past guests into repeat visitors, fill those empty nights, and keep your hotel top of mind no matter the season. You've probably posted that stunning sunset view from your hotel on Instagram or shared a seasonal promo on Facebook. But what if the algorithm decides not to show it? Well, as a hotel, your biggest asset isn't just your location, it's your guests. But here's the problem. If your entire guest list lives on third-party platforms, you don't actually own that connection. Algorithms change, reach drops, engagement tanks, and that's where email marketing changes the game. It's direct, personal, and fully under your control. And unlike a social post that might get buried, an email lands directly in a potential guest's inbox. No middleman, no gatekeepers. Even better, emails consistently outperform social in terms of click-throughs, bookings, and long-term engagement. So whether you're announcing a seasonal discount or promoting a new experience, or just staying top of mind, email gives you a direct line to people who already care. And no, you don't have to be a tech expert or worry about being spammy either. With just a few basic tools, you'll be ready to go. And we'll cover those here next. So first, you'll need an email marketing platform. Now, I've tried just about every one that you can name the last probably 10 years in this industry, right? MailChimp, ConvertKit, Beehive, ActiveCampaign, all of them. But the one that I always recommend for hotel owners specifically is Brevo. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. So whether you're running a boutique B&B or a full-service resort, Brevo gives you everything that you need to grow and manage your email list. Plus, it's absolutely free to try. So if you want to try it out, I have some good news. You could do so absolutely for free by clicking right up here and signing up, or checking for the link in the description below. And to help you out, I also created a full review/tutorial that I'll link to in the description below as well to make it, using it as easy as possible. And next, you'll need a sign-up method. So this could be a simple form on your website, a tablet at the front desk, or a landing page linked from your social bios. Keep it simple and make sure that people see it. And here's a pro tip. Give your guests a reason to sign up. So don't just say, subscribe to our newsletter. Offer something of value. So we'll dive into details here in the next section. But with those three essentials, right? A platform, a sign-up method, and a compelling offer, you're really ready to roll. Now, if you want to skip the setup guesswork, I put together a DIY email marketing starter kit for hotels with, ready to send templates to welcome guests, promote seasonal deals, drive bookings, and a checklist to make sure that you're hitting all the right notes from day one. So you can grab it in the description or just by clicking right up here. Now let's talk about how to actually grow that list with real guests, not just random email addresses. So here's a secret to growing a hotel's email list. Make it feel like a reward, not a request. So instead of just asking people to join, right, offer a free room upgrade giveaway, a discount for their next stay, early access to seasonal offers, or exclusive guides like, the best local spots near a hotel. It's about creating a win-win. These offers can live on a landing page or your main website, and you can link to them from your booking confirmation emails, your social bios, or even printed materials in the rooms. So why does that work? Well, it taps into something called the law of reciprocity. When someone receives something of value, they're more likely to give something in return. And in this case, it's their email. And remember, you can also grow your list offline. So at check-in, offer a digital welcome pack via email, or use QR codes in lobbies or menus that link to your offer, or have the front desk staff invite guests to sign up for exclusive perks. Just keep it casual and benefit driven. And remember, this isn't about pushing, right? It's about inviting people into a more connected, personalized experience with your hotel. And once they've joined, what you send is what makes the relationship really stick. So let's talk about that here next. So the biggest mistake that hotels make, well, it's only emailing when there's a promotion. So instead of being a constant, deal machine, use your emails to build trust and anticipation. Let your guests peek behind the curtain. What's new at the hotel, stories from the staff, local happenings, or even renovation updates. Make it feel like a conversation, not a billboard. Now, if you're not sure what to send, try these. So exclusive deals, so early access to your best offers. Personalized recommendations, so local events, hidden gems nearby, that sort of thing. Guest highlights, so share photos or stories with permission, of course, from your guests. Also, behind the scenes stuff, so introduce team members or, show how the spa got its, seasonal refresh. And then booking reminders. So, we'd love to host you again with a return guest discount as well. And then mini travel guides, best restaurants or hidden spots near the hotel. And then also countdown emails. So leading up to a guest arrival, build excitement with tips and local insights. And then we have referral requests. So offer perks for friends that they refer who book and stay at the location. And you can also create a themed series. So for example, a 3-part plan your summer getaway email sequence, right? Or, fall in love with, your city, New York, whatever it is, with curated content. Keep it light, personal, and always valuable. And when your emails feel like a thoughtful friend sharing tips, not a, business pitching promos, people actually look forward to opening them. So how often should you send email? Well, here's the rule. Be consistent, but not overwhelming. If you disappear for months and then pop up with a, book now message, don't be surprised when people ignore it and if they unsubscribe. For most hotels, a good rhythm is maybe once or twice a month. And during busy seasons or promos, you can increase the frequency a little bit, but just make sure that you're providing value, not noise. Now, personally, I recommend at least 1 email every 2 weeks. That's frequent enough to stay top of mind without burning out your list or yourself. And remember, these don't need to be polished brochures either. Even a short note like, here's a new breakfast item that we're trying with a photo, that can go a long way. Think of your emails as another touch point, like a social post or a quick check-in, but one that lands directly where people actually pay attention, which is their inbox. Writing great emails isn't about being a copywriting wizard, right? It's about being human. So let's start with subject lines. So these decide whether your email actually gets opened or ignored. So think of it like a friendly short text, right? It's just short, interesting, and a little intriguing. So some examples, right? A little something waiting for you in our city, right? Or you've never seen our sunset like this. Or guests keep asking about this new secret menu item. Next, keep the tone personal. So write like you're talking to a single guest. Ditch the corporate stuff. It doesn't work here. Be conversational, warm, and a little bit fun if it fits your brand. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and visuals. So photos, quick video tours, maps, etc. And then keep it scannable and always include one clear call to action. So whether it's, book your stay or check out the spa upgrade or reply and tell us your favorite breakfast item, right? Just don't overload the message. 1 email, 1 ask. Now you don't need to be a data nerd, but you should know what's actually working. So here are 3 key numbers to keep an eye on. So open rate. How many people opened your email? If it's low, tweak your subject lines or clean out your inactive subscribers. Next, click-through rate or CTR. So these are people, are they actually clicking your offer? Well, if not, your message or your call to action might need more clarity or more appeal. And then lastly is unsubscribe. So this is normal with every send, but a spike means that you're either sending too much or not offering enough value in the email. Now, over time, these metrics help you kind of fine-tune what guests care about and what they don't. It's less about chasing perfection and more about getting 1% better with every send. So you've now got the full roadmap to email marketing that actually works for your hotel. You know why it matters, how to get it set up, grow your list, write compelling emails, and track results without getting overwhelmed. But here's the truth. The hardest part is just getting started, right? So here's my challenge to you. So first, click right up here to sign up for Brevo. Then use their drag and drop builder to create a simple landing page with a guest-only perk. So the tutorial to that is linked in the description as well if you need it. And then next, share that link wherever your guests are. So, in post-stay emails, your front desk, even your printed check-in cards, your email list you already have, wherever it is. Now, this one step could be the start of something big. And if you want a more done-for-you roadmap, just grab the Hotel DIY Email Marketing Starter Kit from the link in the description below. It's packed with ready-to-go email templates and a launch checklist. Bottom line, email lets you build something social media can't, which is real relationships with guests that keep them coming back and telling their friends. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.